Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at the Majorette racing cars from 2016. Now I already did a video on the French releases. That's the ones you see in front of you in the carry case. So those I'm going to just blast through and not show into detail, because these are also part of this European assortment that we're going to take a look at that have 18 cars in it. The French release was only 12 cars, but all those 12 cars are also in this release. If you want to see those cars in front of you in detail, I will put a link at the end of the video to the French release video, so you can watch them a little bit more into detail. So this is the flyer of the European release. 18 cars alphabetically ordered. Here's a drawing of the car, and in the back you get a picture, a photograph with a spot where you can put a mark whether you have it or not. So let's start. Number one is the Audi A1. Number two is the Chevy Camaro. Number three is the Dacia Duster. Then number four is one I haven't shown yet, is the Ford Fiesta WRC. This one does not have suspension, which is fine because it's a rally car, 1/58 scale. This does indeed have a production date of March 2017. That's because I do not have the 2016 production one, but it's exactly the same. As you can see, no interior. These purpose-built WRC cars don't have an interior. So it's got lens headlights. They have deco all around. That's probably why they left out the interior. Very detailed Abu Dhabi livery. Massive spoiler on the back. Very cool. Next one, another one I haven't shown yet, this Lamborghini Gallardo. And this has one of these funny bases that are screwed together and are the other way around. That have some stats on them about the engine. This is a 2018 production, so it might have had different wheels in 2016, but the car itself is the same. Also no suspension here, which is fine for a sports car. So we get tempoed headlights. Sorry, it's one of the few castings that does not have the lensed headlights. Get a Lamborghini emblem and then a white stripe with a gold lining. So this one is based on a street car, so it does have an interior. Get the tail lights, the Lamborghini name, and then the exhaust part of the base, and a big black stripe here that probably represents a grill for some letting some heat out of the engine bay, because that's in the back, of course. So it's got the smallest type of wheels that Majorette has. This design has the smallest diameter. To make it sit as low as it can, so for a good stance. Then we got the Mercedes A-Class. Next up, the AMG. Then we got the Coupe. This one I already showed in the mini video. So I'm just going to mention the fact that this also does not have an interior, because this is also a WRC one. Next up we got a bunch of Porsches. Here's the blue 911, and we got the green 911 and the orange version. Then we got one I haven't shown yet. This is the 918 Spyder, and it's single packaging. I'm going to show that. So we got the flyer here, leaflet, and the car has a lot of room to wiggle around, and a generic backside. So let's free the piece. So this is the not the there's a little bit of a mishap here on the rim. I see it's not completely painted. This is not the concept version that has the side pipes here in front of the rear tire, but it's the production version of the 918. It's the one with the red interior. Got the lensed headlights, the Porsche logo, a lot of racing tampos, and then the tail lights, and some black paint here and there. Porsche 918 Spyder it says here. And this is all painted black. So nicely detailed. No suspension, 161 scale. This is an actual 2016 production one. There you go. Then another one I haven't shown yet is the Renault Alpine ZAR or A11050, 163 scale. Also no suspension. This is a 2017 production, but I bet you it's exactly the same as the 2016 one. Also got the small wheels for the very low stands. No interior on this one. No lens headlights, just tampos. Does have a funny looking tampo here. It's like two eyes on the front. Does have the tail lights, very fine stripe on the whole width of the car. Big diffuser, big wing. It says Renault. Yeah, that's a cool casting. Like it. And then we got another Renault. This one is still carded. So you got the racing cars. You got the name of the vehicle on the leaflet. So this one does have suspension because it's basically a street car with some racing deco. 2016 production, 164 scale. The Clio Sport from the Sport division of Renault. They make great fast versions of road cars. Lens headlights. The Renault emblem. Taillights and all kinds of graphics. Even got some white paint here on the diffuser. That's a very nice touch. That's cool. I think many other diecast brands wouldn't bother, but Majorette does. It has to be authentic. It has to be a real livery. Same here with the spoiler. Separate white paint. Probably base paint white, and then they put some yellow paint over the white base color. I'm guessing. But do not know for sure. Then we got the Renault Megane Coupe, the N4. And then we got the Trophy and the Beetle GSR. And to finish off, the Golf 7 Mark 7 GTI. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.